Welcome to my channel, Australian Women's Life and Style. Today I have a really cute little video.
Oh, here he is.
So we had our daughter's 14th birthday party yesterday, didn't we?
And
it was so great, and he's exhausted from all the girls playing with him, aren't you? Aren't you? You want to say hello to everyone? I'll pop in a little snippet for you now so you can see a little bit of the party and the tour of what the house looked like. I did have it on Instagram, and I know a lot of you saw it and wrote me little messages and that you're really excited to see these videos. So here it is. Hello. What's happening today, Teddy?
So it's my 14th birthday party with my friends.
Yay!
So we'll be taking you on a tour around my birthday.
Let's have a look.
When walking, we had to move a couple things.
Yes. So we've put a little side table here next to the plant and the blankets over here as well, as we've had to move the coffee table because of this. So here's a little sneak peek of the Christmas tree. We've got some magical little things happening here. I do have a video up on my channel right as we speak, so I will link that down below so you can actually see exactly how this all came together. Look at that gorgeous Swarovski crystal ribbon. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then coming up to the angel at the top, which is my mum's. It's lovely that she's looking over us. We haven't gone too crazy on the sideboard, just a few little touches of Christmas along here. I'll go through that with you on another video. Hi! My son has been playing with these cups ready for the party. Yeah. Very good. Can he do it? Yes, he can.
Here we have our other Christmas tree and the dining table.
Yes. Oh, I actually really love how this Christmas tree turned out.
It reminds me of a castle in here, kind of fancy, with all the candles and stuff.
This is our Christmas dining setting, which I've got a video on. It just looks so beautiful. And these are all our hydrangeas, aren't they, darling? There's a video coming up with all of this. Just wanted to give you a little sneak peek. Don't want to show you too much.
And then Christmas.
There's this little monkey. He has been very cheeky.
And then we have this gold little entry thing.
Okay.
This is outside.
Beginning of December, and we should be in full-on summer mode, but unfortunately it's a grey old day. We're hoping the sun will come through for the girls. Fingers crossed, but we've got everything ready to go.
And then we have a little bottom seating area with the fireplace.
A little fire pit.
And then
Okay.
we'll go up to where the party will
And then the party is up here. Embracing me.
He always likes being at the place. And then this is where the party will be. We got a bunch of balloons everywhere. Got some snacks. We got
Lots
some
of junk food for them.
little spirals and gold hearts. And then my big fort.
Normally our lilies do blossom just in time for her birthday. We've had a few, but there's a lot of buds. Maybe they'll be ready for Christmas.
And then we have the big 14.
Yes.
You know?
And then let's have a look at your outfit.
And then this is my fit.
So she got some new
pants
gear.
with the butterfly chain and another chain.
And these are from Shein.
We got this one from JJ's. It's a My Hero Academia t-shirt.
It's very cute. It goes with the purple.
And then I got my skeleton earrings from Shein.
Very cute. She looks gorgeous.
And yeah.
Ready to party.
This is my mum's swaggy outfit.
So I've just got a little Zara t-shirt on, tied up in a knot. And this little skirt I've had for some time now, but I just love how it flows. It's easy to run around in, especially to take care of my daughter and all her friends.
Then we got them Gucci slide sandals. And then the earrings she got from Amazon.
Yeah. Very excited to celebrate. I can't believe my little girl is now 14. It feels like yesterday I was just holding her in my arms. I wish I could just shrink her back to a little baby. I'm really proud of you, darling. You just surprise me every day and I love you so much. I'll get all emotional if I think about it too much. But I love you so much.
Love you too,
You
Mum.
make me so proud.
Love you too.
I can't believe they're in the pool. It's so cold. I've got my blanket on. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Please check out my Instagram as well. It's Australian Women's Life and Style, and also TikTok, Australian Women's Life and Style, all under the same name across all platforms. And please join me over there, as I will definitely have lots of close-up photos and links to everything that I've shown you here today. But have an amazing week, guys. Say bye. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Oh, kiss it for Mama. What's the matter? You okay? What's wrong?
He's like tired and sad and cranky at the same time.
Oh, you said don't bother me. I want to go back to bed.
He's gone through his problems right
I
now.
want to go to bed too, Teddy.
Oh, doggy me. Oh, you know I don't like me. Oh, he's so cranky.
Go back to bed. Bye, Straight away. Straight away. I took him away from the post of watching out the front door to see if anyone's moving out the front. Bye, guys.
Oh my god. Join our family, please like and subscribe. Join our waffles.
1, 2, 3. Join our family. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Not when it is.